Today we're learning Grouplove Deleter, really fun song, one of my favorites of 2020. So let's jump right into learning this song. You're going to use two power chords for both the intro and the verses. The first one is at the 6th fret, so your pointer finger will be on the 6th fret A string, and your middle and pinky finger will be on the D string and the G string. And you're just going to play those 3 strings. The second power chord is at the 4th fret, and your pointer finger will be on the 4th fret lower E string, and your middle and pinky finger will be on the A and D string. And again, you're just going to play those 3 strings. For the intro in the actual song, if you listen to it, it sounds like they go from the 6th fret power chord to the 4th fret power chord, and then back to the 6th fret power chord, and they double up, going right into the verse. When I play along with it, I usually just go back and forth until I go right into the verse. I don't really like doubling up on that 6th fret one, but I'll play you the intro right now. That's where it would double up right into the verse. So looking at the strumming, I basically just do downstrokes. You can do something else, but I just find it's easier to keep in count with all those notes, beats, basically. So yeah, for that, you just have to listen to the song to time yourself out with it, and you'll eventually get the timing on your own. For the chorus, it's also just 2 power chords, and we're going to go to the 11th fret, and your pointer finger will be on the A string on the 11th fret, and then your middle and pinky finger are going to be on the 13th fret on the D and G strings. Whoops there. And then again, you're just going to play those 3 strings. Okay. And then we move to the 2nd power chord, which is just shifting up. Your pointer finger will be on the low E string on the 11th fret. And your middle and pinky finger, your ring finger, if I've been saying it wrong, I'm sorry, it's the ring finger. Your ring finger and pinky finger will be on the A and D strings. And again, we're going to just play those 3 strings. Okay. There is one point where they do back and forth with different notes, but this is my simple way of doing it. Basically, at the end of the downstrokes I have, at the end of that one power chord, the last one I just showed you, I put my pointer finger on the 10th fret for a few, and then I switch back to that power chord, the first power chord. And I'll show you how that goes right now. So for that first chorus, it doesn't have a pre-chorus, so you're going to play that pair 3 times, and what I mean by 3 times is that's 1, 2, and then 3. And on that last one, you don't put your pointer finger on the 10th, you just jump right into the 2nd verse with the 6th fret power chord. For the 2nd verse, there is a pre-chorus, and you play that pairing once, and then the actual chorus is playing that pairing twice, and then after that there's kind of a post-chorus, and you just play that once again. And then it goes to the bridge, and for that last power chord, you're just going to strum it once. So I'll show you that from the pre-chorus and going into the chorus and then to the bridge. And for the bridge and the live versions, they don't actually play anything, the rhythmic guitarist, they just let the acoustic guitar go. But I like to play those little twangs that you hear, and I'm not entirely sure if these are the right ones. I'm just doing it by ear and So this is what I do, because I just like playing along with it. Nothing too serious. And so I'm on the 11th fret, and I'm on the high E string and on the B string. And I just strum those two strings, and it goes again after that. And then I go to the 9th fret and I play those twice. So then you play that pair twice, so it would go like... And then after that, they go right into the pre-chorus, to the chorus, to that post-chorus. And then at the end of that chorus, they just do one strum. So something like this. So that would just be the pre-chorus, and then it goes right into the chorus, to the post-chorus, and then at the end... And then you let it ring out like that, and there you have it. Deleter by Grouplove, one of my favorite songs to play on the electric guitar. If this video helped, give us a like. And if you want to learn more from our how-to hub, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you can get notified of our next video. For more, watch over here, click on it, because there's some fun stuff, I'm pretty sure. And rock on, guys, and I'll see you in the next jam session.